how does frequency hopping protect against jamming? The options are by moving the signal to new frequencies so quickly, so fast that jammers can't keep up, by making the signal louder than the jammer, by turning off the signal temporarily, by using stronger antennas. What do you think is the correct answer? It's option A, by moving the signal to new frequencies so quickly, so fast that jammers can't keep up. So how does frequency hopping protect against jamming? Imagine you are playing hide and seek in a large playground. One person, that is the seeker, is trying to find and tag you or touch you, but you are allowed to keep moving between hiding spots. It can be behind a rock or it can be behind a tree. Now what will happen without frequency hopping? You pick one hiding spot that is a fixed single frequency and stay there the entire time. If the seeker or the jammer finds your spot, you're caught and the game is over. So this is like a communication system stuck on one frequency. If the jammer targets that frequency, the single frequency, one frequency, the signal is blocked. Now what will happen if frequency hopping is utilized? So instead of staying in one spot, you keep moving quickly from one hiding spot to another, but in a random pattern. That is, you're hopping or changing between frequencies. Even if the seeker checks one spot and tries to block it, you're already gone, maybe hiding somewhere else. The seeker, which is the jammer here, struggles to keep up because they don't know where you will go next. So in a wireless communication, your device, it can be walkie-talkie, Bluetooth, or radios, military radios. They all are the players. The playground represents the range of available frequencies. The seeker represents a jammer trying to block your communication. And by hopping between different frequencies, communication stays secure and uninterrupted, even if some frequencies are being jammed. Hope it has benefited you. Thank you so much and have a great day.